Welcome to this short program about Foam Concrete Limited, a well-established company that is leading the way in foam concrete technology. The company is owned by Linton Cox and Douglas Thompson, who between them have over 50 years management experience of foam concrete. This vast experience enables the company to advise its clients on the most suitable form of the material for their projects. So what is foam concrete? Foam concrete is a cement-bonded, low-density fill material which is manufactured by blending a very fluid cement paste with a foam, creating a grey mousse with very high fluidity. It can best be described as tiny air bubbles surrounded by cement slurry. Its physical characteristics are determined by various mix designs controlled by computer-operated machinery, depending on the project requirements. Over 90 cubic metres an hour can be produced, pumped and placed with no vibration over a radius of 500 linear metres.
My name's Gary Cox. I'm site foreman on this particular job over at Hoddesdon in Hertfordshire. I'm in charge of health and safety on the site as well. On this particular contract we're using Castle cement. The lorry to the left of me is full of PFA, pulverised fly ash. The lorry that stands behind me is full of OPC, ordinary Portland cement. They then come into these two silos onto the right of me, and we store 20 tonne in each silo. As we require it, there's two white screws just beneath them which screw the cement up into a top hopper which mixes them with water and blends them. It then drops down to a storage tank which is just beneath it. From the storage tank we pump it through our twin Bredel pump and we blend it and mix it with our compressed air foam. It's then pumped down to wherever we want to pour it.
There are many benefits to using foam concrete for your project. It has good compressive strength and a rigid, well-bonded body. Its high fluidity results in rapid installation and no compaction is required. It improves site logistics with a small operating footprint, minimal staff and fewer deliveries per day, which in turn reflects in lower costs. Fewer truck deliveries with the use of cement, PFA limestone and granite dust makes foam concrete more environmentally friendly. Our on-site operators oversee the day-to-day running of the operation, ensuring the production runs smoothly.
I think the key thing with Foam Concrete Limited and foam concrete in general is the fact that you only have, say, 4 transporters coming in a day and you only have 1 wash down a day. So you limit the number of concrete lorries washing down and the environmental impact that has, especially on a place like this where you've got a very high water table.
Foam concrete can be used in a number of ways, and we can cater for any size project. It is an effective fill material for underground voids, redundant sewers, tunnels, subways and harbours. It can also be used for soil replacement or stabilisation of road foundations, roof screeds or floor insulation. Foam concrete has been used for more than 50 years in Europe and the USA, with Canary Wharf, London being the most high-profile project completed in the UK.
Foam concrete was the ideal product for this particular project. It's lightweight, we do high volumes per day, in excess of 750 cubic metres. It's self-levelling and self-compacting. At the end of a week you have a brand new road.
We used Foam Concrete Limited because they were the only subcontractor that could do the specification that was specified by our roads engineer. And then also it was a very competitive price as well.
The spec was very important because of the ground we're building on. We needed to have a very specific spec, and Foam Concrete Limited were the only company that could provide that spec.
At Foam Concrete Limited, we pride ourselves on the quality of our product. Our staff have years of experience and we place a huge emphasis on customer relations and constant quality control. We are ISO 9001 accredited. We have the most advanced computerised production unit in the UK. We constantly strive to improve our product and equipment with an ongoing commitment to research and development.
I'm one of the site representatives of Alfred McAlpine Project Services. We just completed this contract at Essex Road, Hoddesdon. Foam concrete was used on this contract as it was specified by our designers due to the nature of the poor ground conditions we encountered on site. We're perfectly happy with the results achieved by Foam Concrete Limited on this contract.
We won this particular project on price and the logistics of setting up on site.
Yeah, no, that was very important for us. We need to have a small footprint on site. It's had minimal disruption and the price was very competitive, so it made them perfect for our job.
For more information, please get in touch with us at Foam Concrete Limited.